Hello, I'm Guy Epstein from MSolutions, and I will present the MS-DPA-CP. As you can see right here, it's a pure DP alt mode extender, USB-C in for the host, USB-C out for the device. As you can see in this diagram, all you have to do is connect one USB-C to the host unit. It will charge your laptop and extend it up to 330 feet to the device unit, which you can connect a display or some other DP alt mode device. And it's a simple plug and play solution for up to 4K resolution, 4K 60, and USB 2 data. For more information, please go to www.m4, the number 4, sol.com.